Good morning guys! Tara kape. Okay, for today's video, I was contemplating to do this quick video kasi it's a news about Maya credit card eh. Nakuryente na kasi ako previously with the updates of Maya. Eventually, hindi nila tinuloy yung plan na update nila dito sa Maya credit card. Ito yung installment. So, I remember, naglabas si Maya ng update and dun sa update na yun, nakaspecify yung installment. Pero, sabi nila, November daw i-release yung installment ni Maya. So, naghintay naman ako at ginawa ko ng video, yun, nakuryente po ako. Kaya nag-iisip ako dito nung nakita ko tong news na to na sinasabi ni Mayan na maglalabas na daw siya ng installment. Pero guys, news kasi to. So, please don't blame me Nire-relay ko lang sa inyo yung information na nakuha ko from Maya. Okay, ito siya. So sabi, one last thing. Not too long ago, some of you excitedly shared details of our credit card installment before we were ready to announce it. Tapos may asterisk. Ano ibig sabihin? It's been a while, but we're also very excited to talk about it very soon. This feature, yes, it's a feature, not a promo, is going to be a brand new take on installment. It's how we think it should be in the first place, and we know you'll agree. It will be worth the wait. Tapos dun sa nakalagay, sa ilalim, absolutely our fault. No hard feelings. O, buti naman. Kasi, nakuryente po talaga ako doon. Kaya, medyo nag-hold up na ako sa mga nasasagap kong update dito sa Maya credit card. But, sila na po rin po ang nagsabi, na-announce yan, or na-share nang hindi pa sila ready. Pero kasi bakit nila nilalagay as an update nung una, di ba? Kung hindi pa pala sila ready. Pwede naman nilang itago kung ano yung mga in-update nila. Let's say, meron ng changes sa app, pwede nila sabihin, plan updates on credit card, whatever, pero yung ilalagay nila as an installment, diba? Pero yan, I'm not sure as to when. Meron na namang speculation over Reddit and internet na this second week of February yung planned rollout nila. I can't say na 100% confirmed to, but yun yung buzz over the internet. So, yeah. Para sa akin guys, until such time na nandyan na yung update na yan, I would take this update as hearsay as of the moment. Mahirap po talaga yung nangyari sa akin. Binabalikan po ako ng mga viewers. Ano po nangyari dito sa update na to or what? Edi, yon. I've learned my lesson na maging conservative muna sa mga magagandang news na natatanggap ko. So, ano sa tingin nyo? Itong nalalapit na installment feature ng Maya credit card. Worth the wait ba? Well, it's for us to find out. So, yun lang muna for today's video. Good morning sa inyo.